I remember when your laughter used to light the dark inside my chest, when every shadow felt like nothing if your heartbeat touched my breath. But seasons change without a warning, and we forgot what made us strong. I held your hand like it was sunrise,
and I tried to hold the pieces of a love we couldn't see. But every whisper, every promise started drifting out to sea.
It was love that faded slowly, like the colors of a dying sky. We were fire turning into embers, we were truth turning into lies.
We were hearts that kept on breaking, even when we didn't try. All we heard to say softly, it was love that faded slowly.
I remember how your fingers traced the silence on my skin. How forever felt so certain when you swore I was your wind. But time will pull apart the strongest, even souls that seem aligned. We kept dancing in the ruins, hoping love would change its mind.
And I tried to save the feeling, but the feeling slipped away. Now we stand in different futures, though our past begs us to stay.
It was love that faded slowly, like a photograph losing light. We were stars falling to silence, we were day turning into night. We were hearts that kept on breaking, even when we held on tight. Now the truth is barely holy, it was love that faded slowly.
I still see you in the doorway, where you whispered our last plea.
And I still hear you breathing softly, like a ghost inside the breeze.
We were searching for a reason to keep holding on, but no, even beautiful beginnings must one day learn to let go. It was love that faded slowly, like the last leaf on a broken tree. We were chapters torn and scattered, we were almost meant to be. We were hearts that kept on breaking, even love could not agree. But I'll always hold you closely, even love that slowly.
Maybe someday in another life you'll find your way back home, but until that dawn comes calling, we walk our roads alone. Still I whisper to the shadows, you were mine silently. You were love that
Faded slowly.
I've been walking in the shadows of the words we never said, trying to hold the pieces of the things we left for dead. Your heartbeat feels so distant, like a star that lost its flame. But I'm reaching through the darkness, still whispering your name.
And I know you're hurting, hiding scars behind your smile. But love is not a moment, it's a war we fight in miles.
So when the night gets colder than the memories we made, I'll be standing in the fire,